Today we just received some decals in the mail that we're going to review. This is an unboxing. It comes from Amazon. I wanted some really nice decals for my kids' room. And these are stars. Aren't they pretty? Let's see what we've got in here, what comes with the decals. Okay, you've got your instruction sheet that tells you how to apply them. I watched a video on the Amazon listing that showed me how to put them on. And actually the video is really good and the instructions are really good. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's one of them. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh, we've got a family and the dad's a Superman. There's a dad and mom and daughter, son, and a puppy dog. And there's, yeah, I'm not sure my little ones will use that one. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, well, they want to make sure that I really know what I'm doing. We've got 2 sheets of those with the ability to tell us how to put it on. And this, now we will definitely use that. We love that. That's a really nice one. Like dogs around this house. And that's something teens might like. What else have we got here? Oh, apple. That's cute. Now, what I was really interested in, here's the moon. Of course, it's darker. I like the moon. I like the science and the dog. And it says the Decal Guru. So let's see what we've got inside here. Open this up. And it tells us, greetings from the Decal Guru. Thank you for participating in our marketing campaign. In addition to the hanging stars wall decal, we have included a small selection of decals for you. They are designed to embellish your MacBook computer, car window, wall, or any other smooth, flat surface. Well, that's really nice. So these extras that we got over here, they're freebies. Wow, smart thinking. And I love the dog. We had a golden retriever. We absolutely adored her. So that was extra, and this is extra too. This is really nice. So let's take a look at what I actually paid for. What I paid for was the moon and the stars. And the way this is going to be when it's done is these come down, and I'm going to put the stars on the end down here. And let's see what else I've got. Oh, look. So I have them in blue and in white, and they're quite easy to do. The instructions are really, really good. So that's what's in the box. It came in a box like this, and I'm really happy with it, and I could barely wait to get going and put these up. These are just perfect. Really pleased with them.